Question 9 is all about understanding averages. Do you understand averages? That's what it's testing you. It's not testing whether you can just do a simple average on 5 numbers. It's testing, do you understand how to do an average? So, we've got 3 people, and they're in a French class that does a test every week. The first girl, these are her scores for the first 5 tests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we've got some more information. It says after she's completed, it's a he, after he's completed his 6th test, the range is 7. Now, I hope straight away you're thinking, right, range is the biggest, take the smallest. Okay. Now, don't forget you've got another number here. You've got 6 tests altogether. So the range is the biggest number out of this, take away the smallest number, and we're going to get an answer of 7. We're told this, the range is 7. So it's not just a case of doing 6 take away 2, because we've got this other number here. What could that number be? Well, let's look at the smallest number there, it's a 2. The smallest number is 2, then something, take away 2, is 7. It's got to be 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. That missing number there must be 9 to make the range 7 altogether. So that's why it's 9. All these questions are the same. You've got some numbers, but you've got an extra test. You've got the first 5 tests, but you've got to work out the extra one. So there's always going to be another number here. Here are Thea's first 5 test scores, 3, 8, 9, 4, 2. After she's done her 6th test, the median is 5.5. Okay, so we're told the answer. We've got a missing number here. We're going to have to try and figure out what it is. What was that 6th test? So hopefully, you know that median's the middle. When they're in order. So let's put them in order. We've got 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Now we've got this other one as well. We don't know where that's going to go because we don't know what it is yet. Okay, but we do know that the median's 5.5. So we do know that our median score here is going to be 5.5. Could be that this is the number 5.5. Okay, so if we pretend that's the median, 5.5, is that exactly in the middle? Well, no, because there's 2 on that side and there's 3 on that side, so 5.5 is not in the middle. So the extra score must go here somewhere. Must be on this side. And we have to make sure that 5.5 is exactly halfway between the number in front of it, the 4, and that other number that we don't know yet. So I'm going to write it again here so it's a bit clearer. So we know that 5.5 is the median between these 2 numbers. Can you see that this is 1.5 bigger? Therefore the number after it has got to be the same amount after it. It's got to be another 1.5. That's going to give us an answer of 7. So between 4 and 7, the middle number is 4.5. That's what this extra number must be. So if I write out all the numbers again, now that I know that this one's 7, I've got 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. My median number's in the middle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Halfway between 4 and 7 is 5.5. You can check it by going 4 plus 7 divided by 2. That's 11 divided by 2. That's 5.5. We're not going to write 5.5 on the answer line because don't forget we were trying to find out what the missing score was, and that missing score was 7. So that's the number that needs to go on the answer line. Okay, similar question again. These are the scores in Layla's first 5 tests. So 57524, we're looking for this final score here. We know that the mean this time is 4.5. So we know the mean is the one where you add them all up. And divide by what you've got. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget, we'd be adding up all 6 numbers. And then we'd be dividing by 6 because we've got 6 numbers altogether. And we'd get an answer of 4.5. We know that because we're told that here. So we're not just adding up 5 numbers and dividing by 5. That's not going to get us the mean. We've got 6 numbers altogether. We don't know what this one is. We do know the answer. So we can work backwards. 4.5 times by 6. Get my calculator out. 4.5 times by 6. We've got an answer of 27. So this bit here all of these numbers here must add together to make 27. 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4. We can work out what that's going to be. And that's 23. So all these numbers here add up to 23. They should all add up to 27 when we've got all 6 numbers there. So what's the missing number? The missing number is 4. For 2 marks. You can double check it at the end just by going, adding all your 6 numbers together, dividing by 6, including that 4, and see if you get the answer 4.5.